Hey everyone, what I'm going to show you today is very quickly how to maximize your video and change the tempo of the SafeYouTube link. That will make it easier for you to play any instrumental music that you're trying to do at home. Firstly, you can see that my screen is not maximized at the moment. The two arrows at the bottom right of the screen, if you click on that, that will make it nice and big. Now I'm going to play a song, and you can see the beat at the moment in the white bar. What I'm going to do, I want to play it a little bit slower so I can play along with it. There is a clock at the bottom right, and I want to play it at 50% of that speed, so I'm going to play it slower. And you can see that the white bar is actually slower now. If I want to go back to my normal speed, I click on that, clock, click, normal, and it will go back to the normal speed. If I'm really good at something and I want to make it faster, same thing. Click on the clock and I can make it double the speed. There we go. This is an Ode to Joy, Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, the fourth movement, and that's the melody. And I can go back anytime I like. There you go. Hope you've learned something new today. Till next time.